Hey guys, it's Symonne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm with a bunch of my friends. We got Merrick and Gia. And we're out here at duffscakemix decorating a bunch of cakes. Here's our cake. So Merrick, what's your inspiration?
I'm gonna try to make a robot. I don't know how this is gonna go. Probably not well.
Okay, so Merrick's gonna do a robot. What are you guys doing? Basketball.
I'm attempting to do a rainbow cake that's just cute. We're gonna try.
I'm gonna try to do a fox, but they didn't have the right color, so we're gonna see how this goes. But I think we're all gonna have a bunch of fun. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started.
I want you now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want.
Okay, so we just got all the supplies we need to make our cake, so I'm gonna throw up an inspiration picture right here of mine. I'm gonna try the best I can to recreate it, but this is only the second time I've decorated a cake here, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but wish us luck. Guys, make sure to vote down below in the comments who do you think is gonna have the best cake at the end. Boys vs. girls, Ayden, me, Merrick, or Gia. So yeah, here we go.
Anything, I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down.
Ayden, wait, stick out your tongue. Someone's been
I look like an emo
Someone's been eating the frosty.
No, what?
It's from Joe, everyone. Okay guys, quick update. My hands are black. My right hand that I'm filming with right now is completely black. But you know, it's all good. I'm going to show you guys my cake and everyone else's cake and how it's coming along. We're about like an hour into, you know. Is it an hour?
Probably an hour?
I'm not even close.
I think it's an hour.
Seems like that.
But yeah, we are not even close to being done, and I'm having painter. We got painter. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everyone's cakes and update you on everyone's amazing work. So yeah. Here's my cake. It's turned into a fox. I can fix that. But yeah, it's going okay. I kind of used all my white fondant, so that's not gonna really go well. Here is Gia's work. She's adding all these white crystals to her flower. That's her rainbow.
Yeah.
Here's Ayden's.
Okay, it's a basketball with the net, so
I like it.
We're getting there.
Whoa, Merrick's is good. This is the first time I've seen it. That's a Merrick's. What do you think so far? Well, now look at everyone's cakes. I think I need to step up my game a little bit. We're playing horror music right now, and I'm kind of scared. But you know what? We're just gonna continue. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright, now we got a bunch of stamps, and we're gonna make the flowers and then the ears, and then I'm gonna be done. Make sure to head over to Gia's channel because she's also filming a YouTube video. So make sure to watch her video tomorrow.
Yes, you guys can see a different look of things.
Yeah, and make sure to go watch it. And now, time for the outro. Alright guys, these are all of our finished cakes. This is Ayden's cake. Tell us what it is.
Well, it's a basketball with the basketball hoop around it.
And now this is my cake. It's a really cute box with a bunch of flowers and some graham crackers at the bottom. And now this is Gia's cake.
My inspiration was rainbow, and so I just went with marble and a bunch of colors.
And that's Merrick's.
I made a robot, and on the back there's an off button.
The off button is so cool. So now you guys have to vote in my community section or in the comments down below who has the best cake. We all did such a great job, and I had so much fun. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Make sure to subscribe to all their YouTube and follow them on Instagram. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye!